Hello, my name is Aaron Sutherland. I am a SUSE certified instructor, and today in this video we're going to talk about command line skills, specifically working with files. We're going to start today with the file command. So if we look at the help on the file command, you can see we've got quite a few different options that we can use to use with the file command. Now, I use the file command to find out what type of file a file is. To clarify that a little bit, we've got some files here in my home directory. So I'm going to type in the command file followed by a file name. In this case, I'm going to use the hosts file. This tells me that the file is an ASCII text file. So if we do this again on the workbench.tar.gz file, it tells me that this is a gzip compressed file. So if I were to use the file command on the makedir command, let's do this. Let's do which makedir. So now file on which makedir, and let's use the right command substitution for that. There we go. This is a 64-bit executable file. So file is a command that we can use to find out what kind of file a file is. Now another command that we have is the cat command, which stands for concatenate. The cat command allows me to view the contents of a file. Simply put, it is cat followed by a file name, and that will show me the contents of the file. Now if we look here, I do have a few different files here that we can work with, such as the words file. So if I were to cat words, which is a library file, you can see that this is a very, very large file. So if we were to do a word count, -L for lines, on words, you can see that this file has 308,457 lines. Each line is a single word. So when I cat words, it scrolls past the screen and will, if the file is very large, it'll scroll past my console buffer, meaning I'm not going to be able to page up to see all of the contents of the file. For that, we have the less command. So less words will display the contents of the file one page at a time. It's also searchable. So at the bottom, just like we do in Vim, I can type in the / and then we can search for different words. And we can see everything that is found by my search string. So that's using the less command. I can use page up and page down to navigate, but I can see the contents of the file one page at a time. Now the next command is the head command. And the head command shows me by default the first 10 lines of a file. We just type in head space and the file name, and that shows me the first 10 lines of the file. Now we can modify that with the -N switch followed by a number. This will show me, the -N5 will show me the first 5 lines of the file. Or we can change this to 10. So it'll show me the first 10 or even the first 15. Now if I wanted to see the end of the file, we have the tail command for that. So again, by default, it only shows me the last 10 lines of the file. So tail words, and there's the last 10 lines. And just like with the head command, we can use the -N followed by a number, and you can use a space or not use a space in that switch to show me to change the number of lines that are being shown in that output. So here tel-n15 words will show me the last 15 lines of the file named words. You can learn more about this and many other topics in the wide range of courses that we have available at our eLearning website at the URL you see here on the screen. Thank you for watching and have a great day.